Dear student, we introduce the book of Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is a timeless masterpiece that unveils the power of mindset and perseverance in achieving success. The book narrates the journey of a young man who, despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, holds on to his unwavering belief in his dreams of success. Through dedication, hard work, and a positive mindset, he overcomes obstacles and eventually reaches great heights of achievement and prosperity. The story emphasizes the importance of setting clear goals, visualizing success, and maintaining a persistent attitude in the face of adversity. Readers are inspired to harness the power of their thoughts, cultivate a burning desire for success, and take consistent action towards their goals. Think and Grow Rich serves as a beacon of motivation, reminding us that with the right mindset and determination, anything is possible in the pursuit of our dreams. Think and Grow Rich is a treasure trove of inspirational quotes that ignite the flames of success within us. Here are powerful quotes to motivate and empower you on your journey to greatness. 1. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. 2. Success requires no apologies, failure permits no alibis. 3. The starting point of all achievement is desire. 4. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, control, and direct your own environment. 5. Your real riches are your state of mind. 6. Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. 7. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. 8. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. 9. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. 10. You are the architect of your own destiny. You are the master of your fate. These quotes from Think and Grow Rich are a beacon of light, guiding you towards success and inspiring you to unleash your full potential. Let them fuel your determination and drive as you embark on your path to greatness.